I have been giving a lot of information about various investments in India. We are going to talk about some of the points that you need to note when you are investing in mutual funds. Hello everyone, welcome to Invest Expert India. I am Srinivas Murthy. I have been with financial services for more than 30 years and I am giving you all this information based on my experience over the last 3 decades. There are many companies which are offering mutual funds. The natural question that arises in your mind is that how do you choose the fund in which you want to invest? As explained in my earlier videos, there are different kinds of funds. You will have to identify the fund which is going to match your requirement. It depends on the term that you want to invest and at the end of how many years you want to redeem or you want that money for a particular purpose. So depending on these requirements, you need to choose a fund. You have financial experts who have been dealing with these kind of funds for quite some time, and you can also contact us through our website Akshaya Revenues, where you will be getting a time slot for a free consultation on how to choose a particular mutual fund. Another point to note is that when and how you will be able to redeem or you will be able to get back that money. So whenever you need to redeem or whenever you want to withdraw some money from the mutual fund, you can inform the fund house in advance. It will be maybe a couple of days in advance so that you will get the money on time. Otherwise, you can also take the help of your financial advisor who will be helping you in getting the money anywhere between 3 to 7 days. You may have a doubt whether SIP is better or investing in a mutual fund is better as a lump sum. See, SIP means systematic investment plan. You can choose the time period and you can keep on investing a certain amount of money every month. You can also put a lump sum money in mutual fund whenever you have certain amount to invest. However, it depends on your risk appetite. Suppose you want to take less amount of risk, you are risk averse, then it is better to invest in SIPs. And also, when the market is at very low levels, you can put some lump sum amount in mutual funds. It is advisable to verify the credit ratings provided by CRISIL. CRISIL is an organization which provides credit ratings for the mutual funds. The highest rating that it provides is AAA. CRISIL means Credit Information Services India Limited. So this is the first organization in India which does a lot of study and research about the safety and also the performance of various mutual funds in India. One should also know about the exit load pattern of a particular mutual fund. The funds normally are open-ended. If it is an open-ended fund, you can enter at any time and you can exit at any time. Otherwise, there are some funds where they are having a particular time period. So within that time period, if you are withdrawing, you will be required to pay a penalty which is called exit load. Another important point that you need to know is that whether mutual funds invest the entire amount in stock markets only. No, it is not like that. In fact, there are certain funds which do not invest or invest very minimal in the stock markets, which are known as debt funds or liquid funds. Only the equity funds have a major portion of the fund invested in the stock market. Now I'll talk about the expense ratio. Expense ratio is the amount charged by the company, the mutual fund company, to manage the funds. It is normally below 2.5%, and it also keeps on varying on the complexity of the fund invested. If it is a straight equity fund, the expenses ratio will be a little higher, whereas if it is a debt fund or a liquid fund, the expense ratio will be lower. And finally, we should know whether the money invested in mutual funds is safe or not. Yes, the money invested in mutual funds is very safe. In fact, the performance of mutual funds and the companies which are running mutual funds is regularly monitored by Stock Exchange Board of India, which is known as SEBI, and Association of Mutual Funds in India, AMFI, and the Reserve Bank of India. So it is a very safe investment, and depending on your requirement, you can invest in mutual funds without any doubt. Hope the information provided in this video is useful to you. If you have any other questions, you can put them in comment section below. You can book a free consultation call with me by clicking the link given in the description below. If you want to know more information, you can visit our website akshaya-revenues.com. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and keep getting updated information about the investments available in India. We wish you educate yourself, invest and prosper. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.